It's really starting to calm down.
We need to find shelter. Fast. This spot looks good. Let's clear it.
Okay, I'll check for stones.
Good. I'll get branches.
Teamwork makes it easy.